Hey guys, this is Josh with Biggs Harley-Davidson and North County Indian right here in San Marcos, California. Today we have a 2013 K1600 GT Premium. Loads of storage, adjustable wind screen, sapphire blue. Beautiful, beautiful bike, very comfortable, all the amenities of a touring model. We're open 6 days a week if you'd like to come take this around the block, maybe see how it looks in your driveway. This model has 11,707 miles on it. And I don't know if she's in neutral.